Good day! Today I'm gonna teach you how to save a game using Gdevelop. So I have here a sample game that was created earlier. So in this game, this is a sample game to show you how once you collect a coin, you change the level. So as you can see, there are save buttons here somewhere. So if we don't click those buttons and we close the window and run the executable program again, so we go back to level 1. But once we click the save button, for example, let's say for example here in level 2, and close the window and execute it again, we are in level 2. And once we get here in level 3 and save the game and close the window and run it again, we are now in level 3. So how is it possible? I have here how it's done. So I have here 3 scenes: the level 1, level 2, and level 3. Once we compile the game, the first level that will be run is the level 1. As you can see, level 1 has no obstacles at all, level 2 has 2, and level 3 has many. So I'm not actually going to run through all the events, but let's see. This, at the beginning of the scene, these are the preliminary activities that the player will do or the program will do, but we will focus on here. So at the beginning of the scene, we have here the sub event: if level exists in file current level. So this was actually checking the existence of a group in a file. So if the file exists, we will write 1 in level of the file current level. So here is the file current level. Gdevelop was actually using XML files to save values and strings. So I have here the current level. As you can see, when we open it, level value equals to 3. That's because we saved level 3. So we can delete that. Current level can put on in the trash. Do you want to delete it immediately? Delete. So we don't have any saved data yet. Okay, so we go back to our Gdevelop. So once the level exists or the current level file exists, we read the file, and from that file we store the value in our variable level. So if this is true, we have the sub event variable level is equals to 3. So if variable level is equals to 3, we are now checking the value of a variable. So if the variable level is equals to 3, we change the scene to level 3. So if variable level is equals to 2, we change the scene to level 2. So we actually run the level 1, but we change it immediately to level 2 or level 3, depending to our saved file. So here, now how do we write on that file? How do we write on that file? Let's say we have here level 2. As you can see, we have save buttons. So let's go through that. So at the end of the events, I have here the button. So if the button was clicked, we write 2 in that file. So meaning to say, we save the value 2, meaning to say it's the level 2 we save level 2 on the current level file. Then in level 3 we have here event. If the save button was touched, we save level 3 on the current level file. So once we exit the game and run it again, we are redirected by this to what scene we must go. So let's check. Okay, I have here the let's try to compile the game. So let's try to compile the game. Here, file, compile to native executable. Let's browse where. Here, desktop. Here. Okay, let's compile. Compilation achieved. Do you want to open folder when project has been null? We close, then we go to the folder here, compiled. So we have many files, but what we will have to run is the executable file. So we run. We have here level 1. This is the same game as I showed you before. Then once this level 1, the executable file was run, we can see that there is a new file named current level created. So when we close our program, we see what is inside this file. It says here level value equals 1. So that means that we are in level 1. When we delete the value, then we don't have any saved data yet, and we open this, and once we open that, here is the file again. So the creation of the file is automatically. Then we go to level 2 by collecting the coin. So we are here in level 2, and we save the game that was saved, and we close the window. Let's check the value of the file. Inside the file, it's changed. It is now level value equals 2.0000. So we close the file and we run the program again. We run the game. Once we run the game, we are directed to level 2, the same as here in level 3. So we save, we close, and we run again. We are directed to level 3 here. So there you have it. You can now save the current level of your game using Gdevelop and XML files. Have a good day. Thank you.